Hi guys, today we're going to walk through the installation of a new injector return repair fitting from Fleece Performance. We're working on a 2011 6.7 Power Stroke today. The same installation applies to the 2011 up to 2016 applications. What's very common on the 11 to 16 trucks is for the injector return fitting to break at the point where the injector return line comes back into the filter head. We're going to replace this fitting today on this truck with the new part from Fleece Performance. This is a billet aluminum fitting, includes double O-rings on the filter head side as well as an aluminum barb fitting for the injector return. Step one, we're going to put a small rag below the fitting to catch any residual fuel that comes out of it. Just use a small screwdriver, a flat blade. We need to release the locking tab that's on the back side of the fuel connection that's coming from the pump. With this lifted up, we're then going to press down on the tab portion of it. That's going to release a portion of the quick disconnect. What we're going to do is push the fitting in to release some pressure off of the locking tab, and then we're going to pull it out. Next, we're going to remove the injector return fitting from the filter head. We're going to do that by squeezing the two opposing sides of the retaining clip. We're going to then press it towards the housing of the filter head to relieve some of the pressure off of that fitting, and then pull it away from the filter head itself. We now have access to the injector return fitting. We're going to exchange out the plastic fitting that's on here for the new fleece part. Next, we're going to remove the injector return fitting from the injector return line by simply cutting it cleanly right below where the barb fitting is located at. You can use a set of side cutters or hose cutters. Next, we are going to install the spring clamp onto the hose prior to installing the fitting back onto this injector return line. I'm going to slide it down the hose about 1 inch. That's going to leave plenty of room for the barb fitting from the new fitting to be installed. Next, we're going to install the new fleece injector return fitting onto the injector return line by placing the barb into the hose. Then going to move our cinch clamp back up over the barb fitting. I'm now going to reinstall the fitting back onto the filter head and connect the fuel line from the pump. I'm going to press it until we hear a click. Pull it away from the pump to make sure that it's seated. And then do the same for the pump line. And engage the locking clip. Lastly, remove your rag. Make sure you haven't left any fuel spilled anywhere.